In today's video, I'll show you how to disable missed activity email notifications in Microsoft Teams. If your inbox is getting flooded with emails about chats, mentions, or activity you already see in Teams, turning this off can help keep your email clean and focused. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop or in a web browser. In the top right corner, click three dots beside on your profile picture or initials to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, go to Notifications and Activity. Scroll down until you find the section for missed activity emails. Here, you'll see options that control when Teams sends you email notifications. To disable missed activity emails completely, set the option to Off or Never, depending on your Teams version. If you prefer, you can also customize when these emails are sent, such as only when you're inactive for a certain period. Your changes are saved automatically, so there's no need to restart Microsoft Teams. Once disabled, Teams will no longer send missed activity emails to your inbox, and you'll still receive notifications directly inside the app. And that's how you turn off missed activity email notifications in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.